Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Approveit, and in this video I'm going to show you how Approveit can automatically create approval requests using data that comes from your external systems. This is incredibly useful when your ERP or CRM already has all the needed data. You don't want employees to manually re-enter the same information, and you want approvals to start automatically the moment an event happens in your system. With the inbound API integration, Approveit can receive a payload, map it into a form, and launch the workflow instantly. Now let me show you how it works. So this is my workflow builder, and I'm building a new approval form. So I want Approveit to take the data from the third-party application and generate an approval request and to start the approval flow. So in the workflow builder, I have added a block called inbound API, right? This block is responsible for receiving the incoming data from your third-party application. So if you click settings, you can see that on the right, you have JSON sample. This sample defines the structure of the payload your system will send to Approveit. Each key in this JSON, like bank, city, bank name, vendor account, becomes a field that Approveit expects. When I click this button, Generate Form, then Approveit automatically generates a form for the approval request based on the provided JSON. So I can just click Use the form, and that's it. So now you can see that I have two blocks, inbound API. So this is this is the place where Approveit collects the data. Then you have API form, so you can rename it, of course. So this is basically the form in Approveit, the form for your approval request. And now the only thing that you have to do, you have to specify the data mapping. So you have to go to settings and you have to click data collection here, and you have to double check that data mapping is set up correctly. So on the left, under transfer data from, I see the fields coming from the inbound API step, and on the right, under transfer data to, I match them to the form fields in Approveit. That's pretty much it. So now I just click save, and the only thing that is left for me is to specify the approval flow itself. So I have to click add approvers and specify my approval flow. So I should specify who should be approving for the first step, for the second step, and so on and so forth. So this is like the standard procedure. I will click done. And that's it. So my workflow is now ready and the entire process becomes fully automated. So one more time, how it works. Your system sends a post request, Approveit receives the payload, the fields in the form are instantly populated, and the approval workflow starts immediately. If you want to set up the process like this and you need help, please feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you.